More breaking updates coming in amid the outrage over the Bengal brutality. The BJP has slammed sexist remarks by a TMC mantri while citing Udayan Guha's post to attack the TMC as he was allegedly trivializing domestic violence. My colleague Amita is joining us with the details.
Well, Pratibha, on the one hand, there has been a tragic rape and murder of a trainee doctor, and on the other hand, how domestic violence in a way is being trivialized by a TMC mantri. Let's take a look as far as Udayan Guha is concerned on a social media post, because he's been suggesting, as far as we've just quickly got this translated into what it means, saying that he supports when it comes to the justice protests that are now being done by the doctors. He completely supports that, but he also, in the end, is he making fun of that, or he's taking a jibe saying that if your husband at the end of the day commits atrocities, then don't come running to me, don't call me. And over this is BJP West Bengal, which has now reacted, saying and calling it as sexist remarks by TMC Minister Udayan Guha. When the people of West Bengal are planning to hit the streets tonight and blow conch shells to raise the Shakti within amidst the RG Kar rape and murder horror, Udayan Guha resorts to vulgar jokes. He has trivialized domestic violence and asked not to seek help if subjected to torture at night. Such has been as far as this statement is concerned, and of course very, very wrong timing, and of course when it comes to the mindset is something that is now being questioned by the BJP.
So on one hand, the BJP also raised objections to the TMC joining the protest. In fact, the BJP had said, why join the protest? Amita, let's take this across to Adrija as well. Adrija, while the anger continues, the protest continues by the doctors, they are demanding speedy trial. They are also raising questions on the laxity of the Kolkata police in the matter, saying there have been several lapses in the case. And now you have a TMC mantri, Udayan Guha, who is trivializing domestic violence. They've joined the protest and now trivializing domestic violence.
Well, absolutely. You see, we are yet to see how TMC reacts into this entire matter. But at the same time, tonight also a huge protest is being organized. And this is with the sole purpose that, women should be able to free to walk even at night on the streets and should not be afraid. Because of this incident that has taken place in RG Kar, we have seen in the past the principal have made comments, certain organizations making comments about the movement of women, especially at night or going somewhere alone. So these things have come up. TMC definitely, Mamata Banerjee herself have made a statement mentioning that she stands with the students of the medical college and accepts all the demands that they are making. But at the same time, the TMC today also joined the protest with them. But at the same time, such comments are definitely not welcomed, and it is very much, opposite of what the TMC is trying to show. So we are yet to see how TMC reacts to this entire matter. But of course, Udayan Guha is known for making such comments at in the wrong time and in the wrong places.
Absolutely. And in fact, the TMC, some of the leaders had also said that they would be joining the protest. We have Rahul Sinha of the BJP joining us over the phone line. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Rahul Sinha. The TMC leader, Udayan Guha, has trivialized domestic violence. This comes at a time when the Kolkata police is already facing flack over lapses in the Kolkata rape and murder case.
देखिए, बात यही है, एक महिला का पार्टी, महिला का सरकार, उनका एक मंत्री का ऐसा महिला का प्रति व्यवहार होगा, ऐसा धारणा होगा, तो महिला में बंगाल में कैसे उनका निरापत्ता रहेंगे? यही लोग तो ये सब सिखाते हैं। इसी लोगों का कारण तो ऐसा फैलते हैं। महिला आज निरापद क्यों नहीं है? महिला आज संकट में क्यों है? ऐसा उदयन गुहा का माफिक लीडर, ऐसा मिनिस्टर राज्य में है, ये सबसे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है। और इसी का कारण ही पश्चिम बंगाल में आज महिला का ऐसा स्थिति है। कारण सारे जो महिला का ऊपर अत्याचारकारी सारे गुंडा तृणमूल में भर्ती हो गया, और इसीलिए पश्चिम बंगाल में आज महिला असुरक्षित है, और इसीलिए महिला लोग अभी प्रतिवाद करने के लिए सड़क पे उतरने के लिए आतुर हो गया।
In fact, the TMC has also joined the protest. So the BJP raising these questions, Adrija, the BJP says this is a party that is headed by a woman. Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. But look at the insensitivity that is being shown by the TMC.
Well, absolutely. As I was telling you, then Guha is not someone who's known for making correct statements at a major point in time. He has always been known for making such controversial statements. Even in the past, we have seen several times he is making such controversial statements, especially during this time, when such a sensitive issue is going on. Not only the state, but the entire country is agitated with the way a girl was, murdered, raped and then murdered. And of course, the court coming down very heavily, the High Court coming down heavily on the administration, mentioning that there were several lapses in the entire investigation that was conducted. So, of course, in such a moment when the TMC is trying its best to show solidarity, Mamata Banerjee, top leaders coming out of the TMC and mentioning that they are together with the protesters, standing in solidarity with the protesters. But of course, such an insensitive comment coming at the same time. We are yet to see how TMC reacts to this, or will the TMC take any action against him or not. But of course, very, very condemnable statement coming from one of the TMC leaders.
Absolutely. So Udayan Guha has made this remark. This is even as a protest named Night is Ours was to happen across the city. Adrija, take us through the details of what's expected in the protest. Now more and more voices are also joining this protest.
Well, top citizens are expected to join. Top actresses, social activists will be present in the protest that happens. And, this date is very particularly chosen because tomorrow is Independence Day. And as known in the history that in the midnight was the time when India got her independence. So, of course, during that point in time, in midnight today, the women will be walking. A huge rally has been organized from across the city of Kolkata at various points. Students will be joining, doctors will be joining, social activists, actresses, high society, everyone together will be joining hands to walk here at night, because what they claim, the aim of the protest is to ensure and to tell people that women will be claiming back the streets in night, because many statements have come in the past also where they say that women should not loiter alone especially during the night. Whenever a person is working alone at night, the women are not safe. So in order to reclaim those rights, in order to reclaim that women can be safe and women have the right to walk even at night on the streets all by herself, this rally has been organized, and of course various people from across the state is expected to join in.
Okay, and many statements that have come in puts the onus on the female doctors. Now, there's outrage across the country over the same. Amid that, this shocking remark coming in from the TMC minister. Adrija, thank you for joining us with those details. We're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.